have my cup of chrysanthemum tea, and I'm ready to open my mail. The package. Hello everyone, welcome to this Mailbox Minute, and this glorious Monday is glorious out there, is it not? Well, I hope it is. I hope it is for you too. It is for me, because I have soapy supplies, and soapy supplies make me happy, happy, joy, joy. Oh, guys, some fun stuff for next year. Or I might have to do it. All right, so the first time I saw a Chuckie movie, I was dating the German foreign exchange student. We went on one date, one date, that's it. And wow, that's hilarious. All right, and here's the other one. This one will be coming up sooner. This is our pizza bath bomb mold. I can't wait to paint it. I can't wait to make bombs with it. I am so stinking excited. And I'm hoping it's going to be for a collaboration, but we will see. If you want to get some yourself, they're at Wild Thyme Studio. Okay? And that's on Etsy. Thank you guys. I am so excited. If you enjoyed this, please click like and subscribe and come back to see the pizza bomb made. I think he's going to be much later. I don't know. We'll see. Bye for now.